Hello and welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Today's lesson is all about people, how to describe what someone looks like, and more importantly, how to describe their personality in English. Whether you're talking about a friend, a colleague, or someone you've just met, these words and phrases will help you express yourself naturally and clearly. So let's get started. Let's begin with physical appearance. How do we describe what someone looks like? Here are some key phrases. She's tall with long dark hair. He's quite short and has a beard. She has blue eyes and a warm smile. He's in his 40s with gray hair. Notice we often use with to connect two descriptions. She's tall with curly hair. He's slim with broad shoulders. Let's look at some useful adjectives for appearance. For height, tall, short, average height, medium height. For build, slim, thin, stocky, muscular, curvy, well-built. For hair, straight, curly, wavy, short, long, blonde, brunette, dark, gray, bald. For age, young, middle-aged, elderly in his 20s and her 50s. Now try to describe someone you know using these words. Take a moment, pause the video if you need to. Now let's talk about personality. This is where it gets really interesting. Positive personality adjectives. She's very friendly and outgoing. This means she's comfortable meeting new people, she's sociable. He's incredibly hardworking and dedicated. He puts a lot of effort into everything he does. She's so kind and generous. She cares about others and is always willing to help. He's really creative and imaginative. He comes up with new ideas easily. She's very patient and calm. She doesn't get stressed or angry easily. More positive words: confident, cheerful, reliable, honest, ambitious, thoughtful, optimistic. Of course, not everyone is perfect. Let's look at some negative personality adjectives. Be careful how you use these. He can be a bit stubborn sometimes. This means he doesn't like to change his mind or admit he's wrong. She's quite bossy. She likes to tell other people what to do. He's a little arrogant. He thinks he's better than other people. She can be quite moody. Her mood changes quickly, sometimes happy, sometimes upset. He's very lazy, he never does anything. A useful tip: to soften negative descriptions, we often say, he can be a bit, or she's sometimes a little. This is more polite than saying directly, he is lazy. Let's put it all together with some useful structures. To describe someone overall, she's the kind of person who always puts others first. He's someone you can really rely on. She's the sort of person who lights up a room. To compare two people, my sister is much more outgoing than me. He's not as patient as she is. She's more creative, but he's more organized. To describe a first impression, she seems very confident. He comes across as quite shy at first, but once you get to know him, he's very funny. She gives the impression of being very serious, but she has a great sense of humor. Fantastic work today. Let's quickly review what we covered. We learned how to describe someone's appearance using adjectives for height, build, hair, and age. We practiced positive personality adjectives: friendly, hardworking, kind, creative, patient. We looked at negative traits and how to soften them politely. And we learned useful structures like, she's the kind of person who, and he comes across as. Practice describing 3 people in your life: 1 family member, 1 friend, and 1 colleague. Use at least 3 adjectives for each person. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.